In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to tasks in Asana and boost teamwork effortlessly. If you've ever wanted the right people to stay informed on a task without changing who's responsible for it, collaborators are the perfect solution. Collaborators receive updates, can comment, and help keep momentum, while the assignee remains the single owner driving the work forward. Start by opening Asana and navigating to the project that contains the task you're working on. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or team, especially if you switch between multiple accounts. If you have a lot of projects, use the search bar at the top to find the project quickly. Once you're in, choose the view you prefer: list, board, or timeline. All of them will let you open an individual task. Next, click the task to open its details pane. You'll see information like the task title, assignee, due date, description, subtasks, and attachments. This right side panel is where most of the collaboration happens. If you don't see the details panel right away, try expanding your window or clicking the task name again. Take a quick moment to confirm you've got the correct task, since collaborators will receive notifications about whatever happens here. Within the task details, look for the Collaborators section. It's usually near the assignee and due date, or you might see a small plus icon next to profile pictures. Click there to begin adding people. If the pane looks crowded, scroll a bit. Sometimes the Collaborators area sits just below the description and subtasks. Now, add your collaborators. Start typing a teammate's name or their work email, then select the correct person from the suggestions. You can add multiple collaborators, and each one will be subscribed to updates like new comments, status changes, and attachments. This is great for stakeholders, reviewers, or anyone who needs visibility but isn't doing the hands-on work. As a tip, keep your list focused to avoid unnecessary notifications. It's better to include the few who truly need to know. If you add someone by mistake, you can remove them later from the same area without affecting the assignee. Remember that access depends on your organization's permissions. In most cases, you can add anyone in your workspace, and guests can be included with their valid email. For private or restricted projects, collaborators will only see what they're allowed to view. That's it. Open the project, select the task, click Collaborators, and add the right people. Use this to streamline communication, reduce status meetings, and keep everyone aligned, all without changing ownership of the task.